how to adjust the width of a column in Shopify pagefly. So in this video, we're going to be going through how to adjust the width inside of the pagefly Shopify app. So let's start. So one of the first things you want to do, of course, is make sure you have the app downloaded in your Shopify admin, right? Once you do, it will be right here under apps. Let's go ahead and select pagefly. So now when you click pagefly, you're inside the application within your Shopify admin. So what we're going to do now is go to pages. And then once you're here, right, if you already have a page created, then it will show up here. If you don't, then you could go ahead and just click create blank page. And from here, you could choose what type of page you want to create. For now, we're just going to choose regular. So now you're within the pagefly page editor of the newly page that you created. So what we're going to do now is on the left side here, you want to select elements. So from here, you'll be able to select tabs, right, or accordions, right, to add to your page, right? But since we're just adding, we just want to know how to edit the width columns, right, of certain elements. Then what you could do is just use the default templates that are already provided here. So let's go ahead and just select this one right here. So now we already added 2 columns inside of this page. So now the next thing we need to do is edit the width of each of these columns now. So there's 2 ways that we could go about this. Number one is when you click, right, you can just go ahead and just hover your mouse and just hold, and you're editing the width right there, right? Or you can edit it the other way around. If we play around, there we go. You can edit the width like that, right? But let's say you don't want to make the change like that, but you actually want to make change, by typing in the number, right? So what you could do instead is you could select the element, right? You can set whatever block you want, and you could go to styling. And then from here, well, it will look like general first, then click on styling, click on custom, and from here you'll be able to edit the custom width of this element. So there we go. And now you can edit it, but don't worry, you can still edit it by just having fun here and just. So now you can't edit this, but you can still edit this, right? So that's how you edit the width of a column within pagefly inside of your Shopify admin. If you have any questions about this, you can always just drop a comment and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Until the next time, peace.